Today we will be testing the L3 best cost line indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the L3 best cost line indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 64 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 834 indicators, with 340 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 41 of the winning indicators. 12 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best one a 76% win rate. Keep in mind that we test most of the strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are testing the L3 best cost line indicator. And you can see it here on screen. And so as you can see, we basically have this line here switching from green to red. We also have these tags here, the S tags and the B tags. This indicator looks similar to say like the super trend indicator, or even functions kind of similar to like the parabolic SAR, where it is adjusting its location to price either below or above depending on the trend direction that it's picking up at the time. And so really the line isn't absolutely necessary. I guess you could make the argument that it could be used as maybe a pullback kind of indicator. So if it pulled back and touched the line, then rejected like here, possibly take a trade off of that. But really what we're looking for is going to be these tags in this case, the B tags and the S tags. And so as we pick up a green B tag, we are going to go long, B for buy. As we pick up a red S tag, we are going to go short, S for short. So pretty simple setup. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, a little bit of rapid fire action here in the beginning. And so we pick up a short signal right here is going to be our first signal. You can see that we pretty much hit consolidation and run sideways before it then drops a buy signal right here. And that buy signal goes nowhere. On the very next candle, it switches back to a sell. And so we would have closed out the first sell signal here as a loss, the buy signal there as a loss as well, and then picked up a sell signal right here. We did get a little bit of a push to the downside. That was enough to come down and get us to our take profit. Looks like we're then going to pick up a buy signal right here, which looks like it does rather well, but I'm wondering about this spike to the downside on this wick. If it comes down 210 pips to the bottom or more, then we're going to call this one stopped out. Let's measure it out here and see. And it does unfortunately look like it's going to be about 230 pips altogether. And so we do that in this case because I'm going to assume, well, I mean, I guess there's no assuming around it. Obviously, we would have entered, this is our signal candle, this is our entry candle. It obviously came down, hit our stop, and then took off to the upside there. And so that one we missed just barely by a few pips. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, a few more trades we did here. So we pick up a short signal right here on this one. You can see that we get a decent little push to the downside there. That is enough to come down and get us to our take profit. Then pick up a buy signal right here on this big green candle, and it has enough momentum to carry us up just enough to get to our take profit before it then starts to roll over and make a push to the downside. We then pick up a short signal on this big red candle right here, and again enough momentum to come down and bounce right here, but that does get us to our take profit as well. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing, that way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve in the testing, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. This is our Discord server here. It is free to join. Most of the channels here are free. You're welcome to join and take part in the conversations in most of the channels here. But we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some advanced information that we're putting out for everyone to see. And so, for example, Sasquatch is one of our members here. He is an awesome Forex prop trader. He is putting up charts like this of the Forex market on a regular basis, where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, areas that he's kind of looking at. He'll mark out even kind of wedge patterns, flag patterns. Sometimes he will mark where his trade is going to take place. And so he'll have like his entry, his stop, his take profit, everything that you need to jump into the stop or jump into the position, I guess I should say, or the trade. Some of our other members here are also posting some really great information. They're kind of showing some of the indicators that they're using and how they're using it, some of the trades that they're taking, how they are profitable taking some of these trades. Those indicators there were actually created by our newest admin, Mike from Upright Trading. Trying to find one of his posts here. Here we go. This is Mike from Upright Trading. He has created quite a few different indicators. Some of them are free, some of them are paid, but all of them are really great indicators, and he goes above and beyond to explain to people how to use the indicators, how they should be trading them, and some of the strategies that he's developed using them. This is one of the videos that he posted outlining how to use some of his indicators. And like I said, some of our other members have just been having a discussion on how they use his indicators in a profitable trading system, posting some of their results of some just small trading that they're getting used to taking trades, new traders. Just kind of getting used to how the market works and such. And so, all in all, it's just a great environment. Everybody's helping everybody out, supporting everybody, giving everybody advice, and working. Everybody's working towards the same goal of becoming profitable traders. I highly recommend that you join us and take advantage of the great information. All right, back to our indicator here. So we obviously got quite a few trades within the 1 year's time. That typically becomes problematic as it overtrades, but let's go ahead and count these out and see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Wow, 50 trades within 1 year's time. That is quite a few trades. All right, let's go ahead and count out our winners and see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. 21 trades. And so not quite the 60% that we are looking for, not even quite 50%. And so yeah, all in all, an interesting indicator. It obviously is way too fast and throwing signals at every little move that the market makes. Now, again, the argument could be made that if you use this as an entry indicator and you already had a trend indicator kind of outlining which direction you should be going, maybe you could get a better result out of this. But as I've said many times before, the idea behind what we're doing right now in this project is not necessarily looking for okay indicators that could be profitable. What we are looking for is the best of the best indicators, and so that way if we stack the very best indicators together, then in theory we should come up with an excellent trading system and not just an okay trading system. So that's the theory behind what we're doing. Anyways, this one's going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.